So this is a box that we put the swarm we caught in. And let me tell you, it was a very painful experience doing that. We're going to show you what happened and some lessons that you can learn from. And we're going to do that right now. I'm not sure if you can see it, but we got 7 hives here. And this is the 7th one. We just caught this swarm a few days ago, and let me tell you, it was a painful experience. And so in this video, we're going to show you what happened, how the weather conditions really affected how aggressive they were, and what we could have done better. If you're not a subscriber, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming homestead related videos. And again, make sure to watch till the end to find out what we should have done different. That being said, let's get to the video.
So it's kind of windy and it's supposed to rain. One of our hives that we split last month is starting to swarm. So, man, that's crazy. This is what the beginning of a swarm looks like.
Okay, so I don't know why one of the hives we split just swarmed. So it came back right up there. So we're gonna try to just dump it in this bucket and then put it in a brooder box or a deep box that we have set up over there. So let's get to it.
Here's where the swarm went.
Wondering.
Trying to get to that swarm.
Look out. Give me that.
So it actually looks like there's 2 separate swarms.
It's the same swarm.
If you need help, let me know.
Oh God, they're stinging.
Are they?
You guys might want to.
Oh, step and go. Ooh. Ow, 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 ow. Wherever you feel safe. If they start getting you, you run. Stop and go.
Okay.
Stefan, go!
Okay, hopefully we got the queen. This has been crazy. Do not know why that swarmed. We split the hive last month. Everything was going well, our last check, and we came out and it swarmed. So we used 2 buckets because of where it was at. And I got stung pretty bad. In fact, I got one on me right now inside my sweatshirt. But we'll find out tomorrow whether we got hive number 7. Crazy, absolutely crazy.
The bees. So yeah, we need to start feeding because we got us hive number 7. Yes.
So what did we do wrong? Well, the first thing is we didn't put account weather conditions. We found in the year that we've been doing beekeeping that the colder it is, the more aggressive the bees are. Also, when a swarm swarms, before it does it, it's just they engorge themselves with honey and then they fly out because they don't know how long it's going to be before they get to eat again. And so they're usually not aggressive at all. You can stick your hand in there, do whatever, and have no problems. But again, the weather we didn't put account. It was under 70 degrees, it was really windy, and it was raining. And for whatever reason, I don't know why they swarmed, but they did. And so when we went to catch the swarm, we were used to really non-aggressive swarms. And so when we started scraping them up, they just went crazy. I got stung about 20 times. Jess got stung 8 times. Each of the boys have gotten stung. My hand swelled up. Jess's eye swelled shut. In one of the clips, if you were paying attention, you'll see one of my boys looks like he's headbanging because he's got bees stinging him in the head. But we should have had a lot more protective gear on in the beginning, to include gloves. We don't have gloves, at least not beekeeping gloves, and I've really done poorly about wearing full PPE. And let me tell you, that was a painful lesson. When you're doing it, always plan for the worst. I understand it's cool to just wear shorts and stuff like this and flip-flops, but when you're actually going to be messing with the bees, you have to have your PPE on. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, leave a comment, tell us if you've ever experienced the same thing. And if you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming homestead related videos. This is Todd from Sniping Rhino Ranch saying, have a great day.